What is up, YouTube? Back again with another video, and in today's video we're going to be giving another Bitcoin daily analysis. As you can see on the 1 hour chart, Bitcoin is currently trading at $77,204. So we have seen a huge uptick in price. Yesterday I do believe we were trading around the 72,000 mark. Again, that was very parabolic. We are still moving in a very high parabolic position. We've gone up about 5,000 since yesterday, man. So we are in a very good spot bullishly. As you can see, we're trading in this narrow consolidated trading pattern. Previously we were trading in that position, and then we broke out of the top trend line, which has multiple touch points, by the way, followed by the bottom trend line, which has multiple touch points. But we have breaking out of that top trend line, and we can most certainly go either way, man. We can continue to pump. We could consolidate again near the top of 77,000. We could take a slight dip, but the question, like you see with the question mark, it still stands. What could we potentially do next? There's a lot going for us. We have a lot going on. There's a lot going on in the markets, in the economics, the macros, like the Clarity Act, the Middle Eastern conflict. We're starting to see a lot of more clear legislation on the Clarity Act and the ruling of crypto as a whole. So that is good to see. But let me know your particular thoughts and opinions on the 1 hour chart. I do want to show you guys a 4 hour chart, which is very similar, not the pattern itself, but the parabolic segment that we see with Bitcoin. We are definitely going through a price reconstruction phase, so it's kind of hard to gauge what pattern we will enter next, but it's nice to see that we are in a more bullish phase. But I do want to show you guys the 4 hour chart to just give you guys a much broader perspective on Bitcoin's trading activity. As you can see on the 4 hour chart, Bitcoin is currently trading at $77,061, so relatively the same compared to the 1 hour chart. As you can see, Bitcoin has still broken out near that top trend line, so we have seen a more parabolic movement, especially on the 4 hour chart as well. We are trading in this ascending like channel. This usually typically indicates a more more bullish outlook, which we have seen, which has confirms the pattern. We have seen a bullish shift, which with that parabolic candle that you see. As you can see on the bottom trend line, we have a couple touch points followed by the top trend line, which has a few touch points as well. I do also have the question mark on this chart just to signify to you guys that, again, we are in price reconstruction phase. What pattern we end up forging on the 1 hour and 4 hour chart is yet to be seen. There is just a lot going on, a lot of excitement. I hope you guys are excited, but all else, this is not financial advice. Take everything I say with a grain of salt. Always still have, there's always risk associated with the crypto market and things of that nature. So always keep a lookout for those risks and things like that. But I do love to see the candlesticks, man. Green, I love green. I am a very bullish guy. You have different traders, man. You have neutral traders, you have bearish traders. I'm more of a bullish kind of person, but I do love to give my perspective, more neutral perspective, just to show you guys that the price isn't certain. It can go either way. But let me know your thoughts and opinions. Do you use any other indicators, tools? Do you use any other pattern systems, anything like that to conduct your technical analysis? Just let me know. Please like, share, and subscribe, and you guys have a good rest of your day.